Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you all how to make cornrows on your hair by yourself. If you've been my subscriber before now, you will know that I always say that if you want a long, full, healthy hair, learn how to make your hair by yourself. And if you still do not know why I always say this, don't worry, I will tell you in the course of the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do if you want to make your hair in cornrows is to make sure that your hair is properly moisturized. Yes, your hair have to be properly moisturized, and then you go ahead to comb it out. Yes, carefully comb out your hair so that you will not be having any form of tangles. As you can see, my hair is already moisturized and I've already combed this part of my hair out. Yes, I just loosened this part because I wanted to do this video. So guys, let's move right into how to make your cornrows. So just watch closely. I will be dividing the front part of my hair into two. Yes, it doesn't have to be perfect. Into two. Then I will pick from behind. Can you see what I'm doing? I don't have the best words to describe this, but just watch. Look, then I begin to intertwine them together. Can you see? Just look closely. Just see what I am doing. Just watch the movement of my fingers, like crossing each other. I am basically just picking from behind and putting side by side. Just watch. And then guys, if you come across any form of obstacle, make sure that you detangle it with your finger before you continue. If not, it will break off your hair if you don't do that. Please. And guys, just know that what I am doing is I am showing you how to make your hair by yourself to be able to prevent excessive breakage. When you go to a salon to make your hair, they don't do these things. Most salons don't do these things. Even when there is a knot or any obstacle, they just drag it out. Yes, that is why I always tell you, make your hair by yourself, and then you will see a whole lot of difference. Yes, in the beginning of this video, I told you all that I will tell you why I keep saying if you want a long full hair, you should make your hair by yourself. Guys, a lot of salons, even professional salons, don't know how to care for people's hair. Yes, they don't know the right way to be able to help people grow out their hair long and full. You can check the statistics. Check. A lot of girls have been complaining about salon experiences. Serious complaints. I once visited a natural hair salon, and then guys, I still have not recovered from that experience because they broke off my hair so badly, and I came back with a lot of split ends. They were not able to detangle my hair properly. Yes, guys, and I had to cut off up to 4 inches of my hair because of that experience. So please, try as much as possible to learn how to do anything concerning your hair by yourself. And if you still cannot, please just go to somebody that is trusted. Yes, there are still people that can do your hair properly, but they are just few. I'm not sure they are much. They are just very few. If you can find them, yes, that's if you cannot do your hair by yourself. Oh, if you can find them, please find them and let them help you. But don't go to somebody that will break off your hair. If your priority is to get a long, full, healthy hair. Guys, I hope you are able to learn from what I am doing. As you can see, I am not in any way breaking off my hair. I am being very, very gentle. Now, this is the back. I hope this is a clearer view for you to see the movement of my fingers. Guys, cornrows is a protective style. Yes, a very, very underrated protective style. Yes, a lot of people do not really make cornrows like that. Most people are out for mini braids and mini twists. I am a mini braids warrior. Yes, I love mini braids so much. But then recently I realized that cornrows can be really helpful when it comes to length retention and volume retention if you know how to work your way around it. Yes, a lot of people run away from cornrows because they think that it takes off your edges and then it breaks off the hair. But guys, if you follow these steps I am giving you, there is no how your hair will break off, and there is no how that you will lose your edges. As you can see, I am not making my cornrows tight at all. Once you try to make any protective style very tight, just know that you are doing your scalp and your hair harm. Please try as much as possible not to make tight hairstyles. You can see it for yourself. This cornrows is not tight at all. I will never do that to myself because that will be causing pressure on my scalp, and that is not good. If you really want a long full hair, you'll be pulling off your hair from your scalp. That is why you tend to see, sometimes you see when you lose your hair, you will see your hair has fallen off so much with that white bulb at the mouth. Is not only shedding. Yes, there is the normal shedding and there is abnormal shedding. Too much pressure on your scalp can cause abnormal shedding. So please don't do that. That's why sometimes a lot of us experience excessive shedding, and you wonder, why is my hair shedding out so much like this? Please don't do that. So guys, I'm just showing off the length of my hair. Yes, and then as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's not too tight. It's not too tight. The whole of my hair, I made the whole of my hair like last week. Yes, last week. Like I told you earlier, I had to lose just this part of my hair to show you all how to cornrow your hair by yourself. So guys, the last thing I'll do is just to pack up my hair. My hair is always up to prevent any form of knots and split ends. So please, if you have questions or you want me to make a particular video, let me know in the comment section. Bye.